guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below to join the family. For today's video, you guys, oh my gosh, I'm just embarrassed to even show y'all what my apartment looks like. But it's Sunday, it's storming outside, it's cold outside, it's dark outside, and I just decided we just gonna do a reset together today because this is getting very much depressing in my house. The rain isn't making it any better, so I wanted to come on here to do a little reset day with you guys because we got a lot to do in the house. Like, I'm in my laundry room right now because y'all, yeah, we got a lot of laundry. The first thing I want to do is just start the laundry, so while I'm doing everything else, by the time I'm done with everything else, I have laundry done, I can put it in the dryer, you know, do all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start laundry first. I need to take out my whites and everything though. But you guys, your girl has been so overwhelmed these past couple weeks, so that's why, like, everything's just so it just feels like it's so messy in here, and it just feels like we really need this reset day because I've been feeling so overwhelmed to the point where, like, your girl was feeling a little depressed. But we're back, we're trying to get through it. I feel like a reset day would really help. I'm coming on to the last stretch of classes. Tuesday's gonna be my last day of classes, so I'm just feeling like a reset day and then one more day of class, and I'm just gonna feel like a whole weight lifted off of me. So I'm super excited about that. But we're gonna go ahead and start this laundry. I already did one batch like a few days ago, but I never got to put it away, so I was like, let me wait till I finish this one and we can put it all the way together. I just been feeling like a lot is going on. I have my last presentation on Tuesday, you guys. It has to be 5 minutes. I've been timing myself. I've been practicing a lot, and I just been timing myself to make sure I'm hitting that 5-minute mark. I'm super nervous, but more so excited than nervous though, because it's my last one. You get better each time you do it. I know my first one I was so shaky, y'all. And the second one I did a little better, so, you know, still got some things to work on, but this time I feel like I'm gonna do a lot better than even the second time. As soon as I go in there and get it over with, I already know like how much lighter I'm gonna feel because this has been stressing me for so long. I have to do another load. I'm gonna go ahead and start with dishes. We gotta do dishes, and then we actually just came from the grocery store too, so I have to put groceries away. But I actually wanna clean the fridge first before we do all of that, so I'm gonna do the dishes so we can get all of this cleared out. All right, you guys, you saw me start the dishwasher, which is going right now. Let me show y'all what the fridge looked like. We haven't had groceries in so long, y'all. This is what the fridge looks like. It looks ugly. So we're about to clear this out. I want to clean all of this before I put the new groceries in. Well, my battery had died, but we are back, and all I did was just wash this, and then I wiped down the inside, and then I did the same for this side. Now I'm just about to put all of these items back in. Alright you guys, so I just put everything back in the fridge and then added some of the groceries that we bought, and then our condiments over here, because you know we're condiment people. Pretty much the fridge is finally done. So now we are in the bathroom. Before we do like a final sweep of the whole entire apartment, I want to clean out the bathroom first. I definitely want to scrub the bathtub, you know, clean the toilet, and then wipe off the mirror because we haven't wiped the mirror in a while. All right, you guys, the living room and the kitchen is finally clean. You guys just saw me sweep and I just mopped. I tidied it all up over here, which wasn't too bad. It's just a blanket and I had to fix the pillows. And then kitchen, I cleared everything down, added some more fruit on here. And then as you guys saw as well, I did mop and sweep over here. So she's looking very much so clean. Wiped this down, wiped all the countertops down. Y'all saw me clean the fridge, which I'm so happy about. It looks so much better. And then the bathroom, you guys also seen me do. So nice and it smells so clean in here. The rugs, I actually just threw them in the washer right now with some whites so I could just clean those. And then we're gonna put those down after we finish them in the dryer. Bathtub is clean, looking very much so shiny. The last spot we have, you guys, is the bedroom. Honestly, the bedroom actually was the least messiest, but we just have a lot of laundry to do. This is what I just took out of the dryer, but this is the one I was telling you guys about that just been piling here. So yeah, we're about to attack this right now. At least I finally get to sit while I do this, and then we're gonna put it all away, tidy it up a little bit in here. It's not too bad. I am finally done putting all the laundry away. I even kind of fixed this up a little more as well. All right, you guys, that's probably gonna conclude today's video. We just cleaned. We finally are done with the laundry. The bathroom's clean, the living room, kitchen, everything's just feeling a lot more fresh and it smells really good in here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below to join the family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Whoosh.